Welcome to the STEM Spotlight, where we talk about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. I'm your host Vignesh, and in today's episode, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of cybersecurity. From the inner workings of encryption algorithms to the psychology behind phishing attacks, there's much to uncover about safeguarding our digital lives. So let's embark on a journey to explore the science of cybersecurity. At its core, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, and damage. Just as locks and keys secure physical spaces, cybersecurity employs a variety of techniques and technologies to put a lock on digital assets. Encryption, for example, scrambles data using complex mathematical algorithms, making it unreadable to anyone without the correct decryption key. This ensures that sensitive information remains confidential, even if intercepted by the unauthorized parties. The field of cybersecurity encompasses a wide range of disciplines, including cryptography, network security, and information assurance. Cryptography, in particular, plays a central role in securing communications and data transmission over the internet. By encoding communication and data in a way that only authorized parties can decipher, cryptographic techniques provide a foundation for secure online transactions, communications, and data storage. Cybersecurity also involves understanding and mitigating various types of cyber threats, from common malware infections to sophisticated targeted attacks. Malware, or malicious software, encompasses a broad category of software designed to infiltrate, damage, or control computer systems without the user's consent. This includes viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, and spyware, each with its own methods of infiltration and impact on affected systems. Phishing attacks, another prevalent form of cyber threat, rely on social engineering techniques to deceive users into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords or financial details. These attacks often take the form of deceptive emails, websites, or messages that impersonate trusted entities, such as banks, government agencies, or well-known brands. By preying on human psychology and trust, phishing attacks exploit vulnerabilities in the human element of cybersecurity, highlighting the importance of user awareness and education. Beyond traditional cybersecurity measures, emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing how we detect and respond to cyber threats. AI-powered cybersecurity solutions can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns indicative of malicious activity, and automate responses to security incidents. This enables organizations to detect and mitigate cyber threats more efficiently and effectively, reducing the risk of data breaches and other security incidents. However, as cybersecurity defenses become more sophisticated, so do the tactics and techniques employed by cybercriminals. Advanced persistent threats, APTs for example, are sophisticated long-term cyber attacks carried out by highly skilled adversaries, such as nation-states or organized crime groups. APTs often involve multiple stages and techniques, including reconnaissance, infiltration, exfiltration, evasion, making them difficult to detect and defend against. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, so too must our approach to cybersecurity. By staying informed about emerging threats, adopting best practices for digital hygiene, leveraging advanced technologies, we can better protect ourselves and our digital assets from cyber attacks. Ultimately, cybersecurity is not just a technical challenge, but also a social and economic imperative, requiring collaboration and vigilance from individuals, organizations, and governments alike. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field, with new threats emerging regularly and existing threats evolving in sophistication. Zero-day vulnerabilities, for instance, are vulnerabilities in software or hardware that are unknown to the vendor and therefore have no patch available. Cybercriminals exploit these vulnerabilities to launch attacks before security patches can be developed and deployed, making zero-day attacks particularly challenging to defend against. Another area of concern in cybersecurity is the rise of interconnected devices in the Internet of Things. IoT devices, ranging from smart home devices to industrial sensors, often have limited security features and can serve as entry points for cyber attacks. Compromised IoT devices can be used to launch distributed denial of attack services, spread malware, or infiltrate networks, highlighting the importance of securing IoT devices and networks against cyber threats. Additionally, the human element remains a significant factor in cybersecurity, with human error and negligence contributing to many security breaches. Insider threats, whether unintentional or unintentional, can pose a significant risk to organizations, as many employees may inadvertently expose sensitive information or fall victim to social engineering attacks. Addressing the human factor in cybersecurity requires a multifaceted approach that includes user education, awareness training, and implementing policies and procedures to mitigate the risk of insider threats. Furthermore, the field of cybersecurity is closely intertwined with legal and regulatory frameworks aimed at protecting individuals' privacy and ensuring the regulation and security of digital systems. Laws such as the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe and California Consumer Privacy Act in the US establish requirements for organizations to safeguard personal data and notify individuals in the event of data breaches. Compliance with these regulations is essential for businesses operating in the digital realm, as non-compliance can result in significant financial penalties and reputational damage. Cybersecurity is not solely a concern for large corporations or government agencies. It affects individuals and small businesses as well. Cybercriminals often target individuals and small businesses due to their perceived vulnerabilities and potential for lucrative financial gains. Therefore, it's crucial for everyone to prioritize their cybersecurity and take proactive steps to protect their digital assets, using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authorization, keeping software up to date, and being cautious of suspicious email or links. By adopting a proactive mindset and investigating cybersecurity measures, individuals and small businesses can reduce their risk of falling victim to cyber attacks. That concludes our exploration of cybersecurity in this episode. I hope you found this journey to be enlightening and empowering. Be sure to tune in next time for more insights and discussions in the latest developments in the STEM world. Until, stay vigilant and stay cyber safe. This is Vignesh, signing off.